When people talk about Dozers, there's a reason Caterpillar comes to mind. It's because of this place and its people. Generations have labored here, turning millions of tons of raw steel into 40,000 of these unstoppable yellow machines. Here, yellow means pride. When a cat-large dozer rolls off the line, it's been built to perform, and it has been built to last. That's how we do it here, and we've done it that way for more than 100 years. Today, there are more cat-large dozers at work around the world than all other brands combined. But know this, if you own or operate a cat-large dozer, it was ours first. We know you have a lot riding on those tracks. Your job, your operation, the safety of your people. We get it. And that's why we have worked harder for generations. So the next cat-large dozer you operate will be tougher, smarter, safer, and longer lasting than the one that came before. That is how we do it here. Cat-large dozers. Made here. Made right. Made to go the distance.